What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be basically showing you what I have planned for my next house, because as you guys can see, I got my old house right over here, I got my friend's house over there, and I was thinking, well, this won't really be a house because we get most of our wood from this top area. I was thinking about making it basically a workshop, so I can work the wood there, sharpen the log if I need to, and all that. So I'm basically thinking, I have an old wooden pallet up by my house that I'll bring down here, and I'll dig this area out right here to basically make it flat. And once I make it flat, I have this tree right here, which I will basically, the pallet will probably stick out from here to maybe right here area. And since it'll be flat and it'll go backwards, actually it probably should go forwards, but I think I can make this work. But well, then I'll use I'll put another post right next to here on this side. It goes about, I would say, 5 feet maybe, I don't know, I haven't thought that out too far yet. And then I would notch it at the top to where it will basically go across and attach to this tree. I'll use string and everything like that because there is a special knot that you can use that will hold it up. So basically that will be my frame, and since it would be going back, that's my frame for the main part. Back here, if we're looking at this right here, I'd put another post right down here, right there, and I'd put another post evenly in line with that. And I'd do the same thing and connect it. So basically at that point it's like a cube. It'd be a cube. I'd put the same thing on the floor and everything like that. You'd have your cube. Then for the walling, I don't know what to use yet for the walls, but I'm thinking about making another log like my friend did, which actually I will show you in a couple seconds here, and strapping like logs inwards, and it will look really cool and it will be a good sturdy wall. And I'm actually going to show you that now. I haven't got the roof planned out yet, but I'm thinking of just putting more wood along the roof. Here, I'm going to walk over here real quick, which actually there's a lot of thorn bushes right here, so I'm actually going to go up here a little bit. And yeah, I'm basically going to I'm thinking about this strategy for my roof, kind of not really copying off of him, but using some of his design, because I really like, if you look at this wall on this side, that's basically what I want to do. I want to sandwich 2 pieces of wood like this, and basically just put logs in between here, make it look like that. It would need some more work done. I'd have to make it tighter and everything like that, but except I would do it on all 4 sides. I don't know if I want to do something on the back. Maybe leave the back open if I wanted to take a log in or something like that. But I haven't decided if I wanted it as a workshop or a house yet. It probably would be a better suitable house, but I haven't thought it through yet. But anyway, guys, that's basically my plan. I'm gonna actually draw something up probably in a few weeks. I don't know yet, and I'll probably can show you when I'm starting construction. I'll show you the drawing I made, and I'll make some measurements and everything like that. But anyway, if you guys have enjoyed this video and are excited to see, if you're excited to see everything be built, then great. And actually, thinking about it, now that I'm here, this right here, we planted a little onion garden and along this whole bank, and they've actually started to grow up. So that's great. But anyway, if you guys have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, hit that like button down below. And if you guys are at all new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And we will see you guys hopefully when we're starting the construction or doing something else. See you guys all later.